Come shop Gimme's store with me. Here I am with my magical reusable bag. You won't believe how much I can fit in here. These biodegradable flossers have finally got my kids into the habit of flossing. Laundry detergent sheets are so much more eco-friendly than liquid soap. A Cure Green cleanser is great for my daily wash. This enzyme face mask for deep exfoliation, I'll use this once a week. Lavender body lotion for my dry winter skin. Plastic-free deodorant. I'm excited to try this brand. I always need more of these amazing leftover containers. I use them for everything. These compostable baggies, parchment paper, and trash bags have been game changers in our kitchen. These are the tastiest gummy vitamins ever. I'm fully addicted. Grabbing a chocolate bar, and I admit it's milk chocolate because that's just the one that I like better. Another reusable Ziploc bag here. You can never have too many of these. This is my favorite all-purpose cleaner. It smells so good. Grabbing cookies, and more cookies because these are the healthiest cookie that I can actually get my kids to eat. Beef tallow soaps from Tandy's Naturals, goat milk soaps from Christine Major. A few natural sponges that my husband asked for. Stainless steel dish scrubbers. These last forever. Sauna is my favorite cleaning product line. I grabbed some floor cleaner and dish soap. And all that fit in this bag.